Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I can create this AE zoom effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add a keyframe here to the normal size, and then at the end, you're going to want to scale it to 310%. Okay, let me just move this. Okay, actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zoom in real quick here. Add a keyframe here and then scale it up to 310, and then I'm going to place it here. Then I'll do the same thing here as well. $310. You can kind of zoom it maybe like a little bit smaller than 300 if you'd like to. This is just how I'm gonna do it. Then here as well. And when you're done, you're going to add a fade out animation to all of your videos. So you're just going to add this animation out and then select fade out. And we're going to only put it at 0.1 seconds to all of it. Once you're done, you're going to add a white overlay and you're going to adjust the duration to each of the videos. Select blend mode and select overlay and then have it to 50%. And you're going to go to animation, out, and then select fade out for the whole duration. Maybe like a little bit actually. But okay, maybe have it for the whole entire thing. But that is it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.